Hello, Lord of the Rings and Hobbit fans. Alpha Price here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting statue to show you. It is Galadriel at Dol Guldur from the Hobbit series. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get right into it. And I'll show you the art box first here. That's the front. Side. And that's the art box. And let's open her up now. So let's open up Galadriel and let's get right into this because this is going to be an exciting piece here. So here we go. A little bit difficult here. Here we go. And I think this is the top. There we go. So that's what it looks like inside of the styrofoam. Now let's put this together. Okay, so let's start with the base. Very cool base. And I will show you here. This is number 502 of 750. Okay. And it is sculpted by Lindsay Crummett. Yeah, Lindsay Crummett is the sculptor of this one. Okay, that's the base. Just gotta be careful with her here, so. Oh, this is beautiful, guys. This is a beautiful statue. And the pig is in the back leg. Oh, I thought that was part of the thing there. Oh, there we go. I guess she's up a little bit on there. That's okay. I don't want to press in too hard. And then this is her arm. I guess this is magnet. There we go. Just strong magnet, so it just slides right in like that. Move this out of the way. I like it when they have strong magnets like that because then it's just so much easier. Look at her. I'll show you some close up here, so much easier to show you. So yeah, no, this Galadriel's look is so beautiful. I'll show you some details here and all that. And it just, yeah. Okay, let's do some close-ups here. So here's Galadriel of Lothlorien, and she was born in Valinor, the Undying Lands. And she is the witch queen of Lothlorien. So I'll show you some close-ups here. Such a cool piece. I love her headband there. Very beautiful. And her outfit is just outstanding. Just like nice and flowing. And such detail on her outfit. Just wait till I turn around here. You'll see what I mean. Like even here. Just beautiful. Hey, look at this. And her hair is just outstanding. Now look at all the detail in this robes of her. Lots of texture in it and all that. Very, very cool. This is just outstanding, guys. Such beautiful. And here's the light of Erennial. It's known as the most beloved star. Very cool. And look at the likeness of Kate Blanchett playing Galadriel there. Very, very cool. You can see, oh, this is a beautiful piece, guys. Here we go. Go a little bit closer here. Very nice. Likeness is good. Love her hair, love her whole outfit on this. Her base. And she's walking across Dol Guldur to go help Gandalf, who is in need of help. Very cool. And look at her hair. Lots of detail. Very beautiful. And that's for the arm had got put in. Very strong magnet. Very beautiful and a very beautiful piece. And that is Galadriel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of Galadriel at Dol Guldur. Comment down below what you guys thought of Galadriel. And like and subscribe. Have a great day and see you in the next video.